The percentage of calcium carbonate found in a sample of eggshells from the Ashanti region of Ghana is 98%. Estimate the mass of calcium present in 2.00 kilogram of eggshells from the region. Yes, Andrews. Go ahead.
We have 1.96 kilograms.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes. Gershwin?
784 grams.
Yes. Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in the balanced equation of the reaction H2S plus HNO3 going to S plus NO plus H2O. Yes, Romeo. Go.
8.
That's incorrect. Isaac.
We have 10.
That's incorrect. Reeves.
14.
Yes. Lactic acid is an organic acid produced in the body when glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen. Its systematic name is 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. How many atoms are present in the empirical formula? Yes, Andrews.
CH2O. And the number of atoms is 4.
No.
I can see it.
Okay, go.
4 atoms.
4 atoms. If the DNA strand sequence of bases is CTT, AGA, CTA, ATA, what would the tRNA read? Yes. Reeves.
You go for it.
Go.
G U U C.
That's incorrect. Mawuli.
I have G A U C U G A U U A U.
You are right. Next one. The function of bile salts is to emulsify lipids. What does emulsification produce? Yes. Go ahead.
It produces fat droplets. That is, emulsify the fat from fat globules into the fat droplets called micelles.
Okay, I'll accept that. Find the magnitude of the impedance of a series RL circuit with R equals 40 ohm at a frequency at which the reactance of the inductor is 96 ohm. Yes, Mauli?
104 ohms.
Yes. A doubly ionized lithium atom is in its first excited state. Find the frequency of the radiation it emits when it makes a transition to its ground state. Yes. Reeves.
2.46 times 10 raised to the power 15 hertz.
That's incorrect. Given that x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 47, find a possible value or values of the expression x plus, yes, Reeves.
Plus or minus 7.
Yes. Solve the trigonometric equation. Tangent squared x is equal to 3 in the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Yes, Reeves.
Pi on 3 radians or 2 pi on 3 radians.
Yes. Pentadecane has a lower density than the density of water. Anderson?
True.
Yes. For the next set, I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. For any real numbers x and y, that's a preamble. Opoku Ware. Inverse cosine of y is equal to y. Yes, Anderson?
False.
You're right. If a genetic disease is transferred from a phenotypically normal but carrier female to only some of the male progeny, then the disease is sex-linked dominant. Anderson?
False.
Yes. The maximum value of g, the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth, occurs at the poles.
True.
Yes. For the next set, I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. An acid-base indicator, HIN, shows the following forms in an aqueous solution. HIN, red, goes reversibly to H plus IN minus, blue. That's the preamble. At the equivalent point, a yellow color is likely to be observed. Anderson?
False.
Yes. Next set, preamble to all schools. Preamble. Preamble. The real function, that's all. F of x is equal to square root of x. It's an increasing function for positive values of x. Anderson?
True.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Preamble. Indicate whether the given statement is true or false with respect to the mammalian heart. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to different body parts, while the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Anderson?
True.
Yes. Preamble. A hollow spherical conducting shell contains a single positive 2 coulomb charge in the hollow region. That's the preamble. A net charge of negative 2 coulomb exists on the interior surface of the shell and is also uniformly distributed. Anderson?
False.
You are right. And that's the end of the first riddle. I am a physical quantity. I am a dynamical vector quantity. I am not the rate of change of another vector quantity. For a particle moving about a point, I equal. Yes.
Displacement.
That's incorrect. The vector product of the position relative to the point and the linear momentum of the particle. Yes.
Angular momentum.
Yes. I am a rule in genetics. I am applicable to double-stranded DNA.
Shaggar's rule.
Yes. I am a polygon. The sum of my interior angles is an even multiple of pi. Each interior angle is twice the corresponding exterior angle. My angles are congruent and my sides are also congruent. I fit perfectly identical equilateral triangles.
Regular hexagon. Regular hexagon.
Yes. I am a metal halide. Where there is a nuclear disaster, I become perhaps the most important chemical. I protect the thyroid glands.
Potassium iodide.
Yes.